Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display column list with primary key, foreign key and unique key info in PhpMyAdmin in database. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in PhpMyAdmin and then you see SQL. So click on it and then we are going to add query. Now paste. And you'll find this query in video description or in comment section. Now you see column key primary, unique and foreign. And then you see your database name. So you can add your database name here. And then click on go. And then you see result, table name. So this is our table name. And then you see column name. And then you see column key primary, course ID primary, teacher ID foreign key, customer ID primary key. You see all info for unique key, primary key and foreign key in database in MySQL in PhpMyAdmin. So by using this query, you will get all detail, all key info in table format like you see table name and column key. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.